All right, today I'm going to show you how to get the best shave of your life using your typical shaving cream that comes in a can that's relatively cheap as opposed to some higher quality soaps that you can use. But I'm going to show you how to make this work 10 times better than it does. And it takes using some oil. This right here is extra virgin olive oil. I usually buy olive oil in bulk or in large containers. That way it's cheaper per ounce. And so I use this not only for cooking and whatnots, but also for shaving. Now, what I do is after I get out of the shower, my face is wet, my beard is, it has a lot of water absorbed into it, so it's ideal for shaving. As soon as I get out of the shower, I rub some of this oil onto my face and allow my beard to absorb some of the oil and trap in some of that water within of the hairs. Okay, so once you have oil rubbed onto your beard after it's been soaked in the water from the shower, you take this, rub it on, and then you wet your face just a little bit again, and then add some shaving cream. All right, trust me on this. Add some shaving cream. Okay, and then you are ready for shaving. So you go ahead and shave as you normally do, but you soak your razor in oil before you start. And you start to shave, and trust me, you will get the closest shave of your life. All right, and so when your razor comes full with hair, just rinse it off under the water and then soak it back into the oil and shave again. Keep on shaving and keep on doing this process until you finish shaving. And trust me, when you're done, when you wipe your face, this will be one of the closest shaves that you've ever had in your life. Nick-free, cut-free, hopefully. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.